Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Haley Elise and I'm back with another natural hair tutorial, and today we're gonna have some fun. So I needed a quick hairstyle for Founders Day. Shout out to all my sorors of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, but I was running low on time and I just did not have what I needed. What I'm gonna do today is make something shake with that wig that I recently did an unboxing with. We're gonna do a half up, half down look, so let's go ahead and get started. As you all can see, I'm starting with two large sections with my part going horizontally. With that top section of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and just clip that away. And then in the back, I'm going to begin to create some flat twists. And then I'm going to bantu knot them at the end. And I'm just doing this to have my hair tucked away safely for the wig. Okay, cool. So that's one down and we have about 5 more to go. Do not worry about perfection here, okay? That's exactly why I'm using aloe vera gel, because I'm not concerned about hold. I'm not concerned about the look. I'm just really concerned about keeping my hair protected up under this wig. And just like that, our back is completed. So now all I'm gonna do is apply the half wig. Y'all, I absolutely love this wig because it really works as a full functioning wig or a half one. It also has clips and a drawstring. I'm just going to begin to place it along that part line for the back of my hair. And then with those 2 loose braids, I'm just going to pin it up in the back. Up next, we're going to go ahead and make our top knot, or at least the foundational part of it. So go ahead and apply your gel and your edge control, brush that in, lay everything down, and just simply make a ponytail. And I almost forgot, I did create a 2-strand twist and then I wrapped it around itself to create the bun. Depending on how long your hair is, you may or may not need to do this, but that's how I created the base of my ponytail. Alright, cool. So just like my dating life, we on to the next, y'all. It is now time to focus on the top knot. Y'all not gonna believe this, but this extra piece of hair I have is an old ponytail. It was synthetic, it got matted, and there was nothing else I could do with it, so I actually cut it in half, kept the clip that will allow it to hold and stick into my hair, and that's what we're gonna use for this top knot. And with this top knot, I really don't have a lot of instructions. It's just however you can get it to stay. Luckily, this ponytail did have those clips, so I clipped it in and then I just rolled the hair around and tucked it in, and then of course I added all the bobby pins I owned, okay? Well, that's what it felt like, at least. So however you can get it to stay, that's exactly what you do. Okay, y'all, that's it. Let's see what it looks like on day number 2. Okay, I'm feeling it. It's definitely giving body and pretty girl energy, as we love so much. And y'all, look at these edges. I'm actually really impressed by this edge effect. It's the first time that I've used it. I love wearing this wig as a half wig. I think I like it even more like this. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm pleased. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. And as always, I'll see y'all soon. Bye.